Before the rental car leaves the lot, customers are asked about insurance. Why?
When you rent a car, you can be held liable for any and all damage to that vehicle if it's stolen or wrecked.
Many rental car companies offer an optional collision or damage waiver for around $7 to $9 a day. But before you sign for it, check your existing coverage.
They should do their research and understand whether they might be covered by their home auto insurance policy or by their credit card.
Don't just make assumptions, study your policy.
For example, if you have an older vehicle at home and you've dropped the collision coverage because you're not concerned about repairs to that, you might not be covered for damage to a rental car.
Now let's talk about gas. You can save time by having the rental company fill up the tank upon your return. Most people realize they often charge you the full price per gallon, but there's something you may not know.
You're going to be charged for a full tank of gas when you're returning that vehicle, even though you might be returning it, say, with 3/4.
So ask about the policy before you agree to have them fill it up. Otherwise, keep your eye out for cheap gas before returning the car. Speaking of asking, it never hurts to ask if your rental car fortunes are on the rise.
Well, there are times when we will have a lot of different kinds of vehicles available, and you can always ask, and sometimes we can get you a vehicle from a perhaps higher car class for the rate that you've reserved. So you can always ask at the counter, and sometimes we can make your rental a little bit better.
I'm Asa Aarons, NBC News.